My name is Carolina Vian, and I'm from the Marshall Islands. Born and raised in the Marshall Islands, born in the Marshall Islands, raised here in the States. And I'll be singing, my first song will be about the nuclear testing that happened in the Marshall Islands in the late 40s and early 50s. And this was in Bikini Atoll. Next song I'm going to sing, it was the first Marshallese National Anthem, and it was from 1974 to 1991, and they created a new one until now. So when I first moved to Hawaii in 1991 was when they changed it, and until now I don't know the new Marshallese National Anthem because I'm still stuck with the old one. So I'm going to sing the Marshallese National Anthem, the version that I know.